Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Sincerely Jacqueline DIY. Today we have 4 dollar store / Dollar Tree DIYs for you. For the first DIY, we're going to be making a textured storage holder. You're going to need some type of holder. You're also going to need these really cute tiles from the Dollar Tree. And basically for this DIY, it's very simple. We're just going to cut the textured tile to the dimensions of your storage item. Now the great thing about these decorative tiles is they're self-adhesive, so you're going to cut it to size and then stick them on. And there you have it, the final item. I absolutely love this. I think that it looks really high end, and I absolutely love the texture. I store some of my pens and markers in this, but you can store whatever you'd like. For the next DIY number 2, I have this old gold picture frame that I needed to fix up, and then I'm taking some of the textured tile again, and we are going to jazz up this picture frame. So what I'm going to do is just cut the tile to size of the matting in the picture frame. And then I am going to reassemble the frame. for this frame, I am missing a back where the picture frame can stand up. So I had this old backing that fell off another picture frame, so I'm just sticking it on there. But you can also hang this up if you like. Here's the final product. I absolutely love it. I think it really jazzes up this frame and makes it look really expensive and unique. What do you guys think? Third DIY, we are going to be making this really cute Fringe boho tray. What you're going to need is the mini reef forms from the Dollar Tree. You're also going to need some thread. I'm using 2 different colors. I am attaching the thread to create a fringe pattern, and we're doing 2 layers of this.
Every time I think you're gonna walk out of my door, I start to jump to the conclusion you don't love me no more. Babe, give me something to work with, can you just reassure me? I'll end it before it starts. Call it protecting my heart. Hurt disguised as strength, but it self-sabotage my love, self-sabotage my love, cause of my own pain.
Then next, to create the handles, I had these wooden beads, and the string that comes with the original wooden beads are not that strong, so I'm going to create my own wooden bead, and I'm going to make 2 handles.
Hey, save your baby girl. You got to save yourself. Save yourself. Crazy no more. No. Every time I question what my future has in store, I get to panicking anxiety. Can't live here no more. No more, no more, no more. 'Cause I'll convince myself that I don't want what I really want. I'll end it before it starts. Disguised as strength, but it self-sabotage my love, self-sabotage my love, the root of my own pain.
And I'm going to trim the fringe to size and add a mirror.
Hey, you got to save yourself.
I'm attaching the mirror with double-sided tape.
Yeah, you got to save yourself. Save yourself.
And that is the end of the DIY. I absolutely love this tray. I think it looks so high-end and so unique, and I styled it using some things that I already had at home. So this really beautiful sculpture that I found from thrift store and a candle. What do you guys think? The last DIY we're gonna do is this really cute butterfly vase. What you're going to need is a plain vase from the Dollar Tree, these butterfly decal stickers, and all I'm doing is attaching the stickers to the vase. There you have it. Here's the final product. So I hope you enjoyed these DIYs. I enjoyed making them. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below which ones were your favorite. Please hit this subscribe button and hit the alarm button to be notified when I release new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you at my next video. Bye.